This is Shilakam Bindu Reddy from CSCA. Computer Architecture Case Study. What is RISC and CISC? Hardware designer invents numerous technologies and tools to implement the desired architecture in order to fulfill these needs. Hardware architecture may be implemented to be either hardware specific or software specific, but according to the application, both are used in the required quantity as far as the processor hardware is concerned. There are two types of concepts to implement the process hardware architecture. First one is RISC and another is CISC. Complex instruction, one instruction equal to several CWPM standards. RISC. Simple instruction, one instruction is equal to 1 CWPM large. CISC architecture. The CISC approach attempts to minimize the number of instructions per program, sacrificing the number of cycles per the instruction. Computers based on the CISC are designed to decrease the memory cost because the large programs needs more storage, thus increasing the memory cost, and large memory becomes more expensive. To solve these problems, the number of instructions per program can be reduced by embedding the number of operations in a single instruction, thereby making the instruction more complex. CISC architecture. CPU performance is given by the fundamental law. CPU time is equal to seconds by program equal to instructions by program into cycles by instructions into seconds by cycle. Thus, CPU performance is independent upon instruction count, CPI, and clock cycle time, and all three are affected by the instruction set architecture. Instruction count of the CPU. Characteristics of CISC. Instructions decoding logic will be complex. One instruction is required to support multiple addressing modes. Less chip space is enough for general purpose registers for the instruction that are operated directly on memory. Various CISC designs are set up two special registers for the stack pointer, handling interprets, etc. Advantages. Microprogramming is easy assembly language to implement and less expensive than hard writing a control unit. The ease of microcoding new instructions allowed designers to make CISC machines upwardly compatible. As each instruction became more accomplished, fewer instructions could be used to implement a given task. Disadvantages. The performance of a machine slows down due to the amount of clock time taken by different instructions will be dissimilar. Only 20% of the existing instructions is used in the typical programming event, even though there are various specialized instructions in reality which are not even used frequently. RISC architecture. RISC is used in the portable devices due to its power efficiency. For example, Apple iPad and the Nintendo DS. RISC is a type of microprocessor architecture that uses highly optimizing set of instructions. RISC does the opposite, reducing the cycle per instruction at the cost of the number of instructions per program. Pipelining is one of the unique features of RISC. It is performed by overlapping the execution of several instructions in a pipeline fashions. It has a high performance advantages over CISC. RISC architectures. Characteristics. Simple instructions are used in the RISC architecture. RISC helps and supports few simple data types and synthesize complex data types. RISC utilizes simple addressing modes and fixed length instructions for the pipelining. RISC permits any register to use in any context. One cycle execution time. The amount of work that a computer can perform is reduced by separating load and store instructions. RISC vs CISC. Semantic gap. CISC and RISC design. The advantages of RISC architecture. RISC architecture has a set of instructions, so high-level language compilers can produce more efficiency codes. It allows freedoms of using the space on microprocessors because of its simplicity. Many RISC processors use the registers for passing arguments and holding the local variables. RISC functions use only a few parameters, and the RISC processors cannot use the call instructions and therefore use a fixed length instructions, which is easy to pipeline. And now disadvantages. Mostly the performances of a RISC processors depends on the programmers or compilers, as a knowledge of a compilers play a vital role while changing the CASC codes to a RISC code. While rearranging the CASC code to a RISC code, terming as a code expansion, will increase the size, and the quantity of this code expansion will again depend on the compiler and also on the machine's instruction set.